Hypothesis study the system as a pathogen and combat protocols. This is a result of a dialogue with chatbot Google. 1. Diagnosis: the deep state as a parasitic organism. The core hypothesis defines systemic corruption not as a mere sequence of human errors, but as a pathogen with optimized biological behavior. In this model, society represents the host organism, institutions are the vital organs, and individuals are the cells. Functional mimicry: the pathogen does not directly destroy institutions, it zombifies them. The judiciary and administration maintain their external form but are reprogrammed to serve the parasitic metabolism. Hijacked immune system: in advanced stages, the judiciary ceases to protect the host, becoming the parasite's own immune system. It attacks healthy cells, whistleblowers, active citizens, attempting to signal the infection. 2. Methods of combat: the antibiotic and the vaccine. The antibiotic: metabolic disruption. The parasite's food is public money, and its digestive mechanism is discretionary power. The true antibiotic is not a new law which can be interpreted, but rigid automation, transferring decision-making from humans to mathematical protocols. Smart contracts. Blockchain cuts off the parasite's access to nutrients. The biology of corruption cannot survive in a deterministic, purely mathematical environment. The vaccine: education and prevention. The vaccine is role is to train cells, citizens, to identify the pathogen's surface protein. Mimicry: redundant bureaucracy. A civically educated population develops a natural rejection response, refusing to feed the system through complicity or silence. 3. Regional differences: Southeastern Europe via consolidated democracies. Localized infection: West. In consolidated democracies, corruption is an opportunistic and peripheral infection. The immune system is still functional and isolates outbreaks through internal control mechanisms. Systemic symbiosis: Southeastern Europe. In Southeastern Europe, the infection is total. State capture: the state does not have an infection, the infection has a state. Here, the doctor, the judiciary, is part of the pathology, making internal treatment impossible. 4. Sovereignist resistance: reverse immune response. A critical point in Southeastern Europe is the manipulation of national sentiment. The parasite, feeling threatened by external antibiotics, EU norms, digital transparency, disguises itself as a sovereignist antibody. It convinces the host that external treatment is a foreign intrusion, causing the organism to fight against its own healing. This informational neurotoxin transforms national pride into a shield for the parasite. 5. Conclusion: because civic education, the vaccine, takes time in severely infected environments like Southeastern Europe, the only path to salvation is external pressure and technological surgery. The parasite's collapse occurs when food is digitally marked and traceable, and decision-making power is extracted from infected human hands and moved into immutable source code. Thank you. Bye bye.